I don't think people understand the power of putting themselves first. Today, let's dive into why self-care isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. On July 24th, we celebrate International Self-Care Day, a day dedicated wholly to embracing the art of self-love and wellness. This isn't just about bubble baths and face masks, folks. It's about making self-care a 365-day affair. Did you know? Self-care boosts your performance, keeps your self-esteem sky high, and teaches you resilience? That's right. Whether it's picking up a book, meditating, or just taking a chill walk, every little action counts towards a happier, healthier you. So let's not wait. Start today by jotting down all the ways you can treat yourself better. Whether it's sipping tea to ease stress or setting a regular sleep pattern, each step is a leap towards a more vibrant you. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. And on International Self-Care Day, we shout it loud and proud. So go ahead, prioritize your wellness because the best project you'll ever work on is you. Let's make every day a self-care day.